In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your widget's picture on iPhone. We will use the built-in Photos app, so you do not need to install anything new first. To begin, open the Photos app on your iPhone. You will land on the Library tab, where you see all your pictures. At the bottom of the screen, tap Albums. This takes you to a grid of all your existing albums, including recents and favorites. In the top area, tap the plus button, then choose New Album. A small window appears asking for a name. Type a name that makes sense to you, for example, Home Screen Photos, so you can recognize it later. Then tap to add the pictures you want to use. You can scroll through your library and tap each photo to put a check mark on it. When you finish selecting, confirm, and the new album appears in your albums list. The widget will only pull images from what you add here, so include every photo you want to rotate on your home screen. Now that your album exists, return to your home screen. Find a page where you want the widget to live. Touch and hold an empty area of the home screen until the apps start to jiggle and a minus symbol appears on each icon. This edit mode lets you add widgets. Near the top or bottom, tap Edit, then tap Add Widget. A panel slides up showing different widget categories. In the search field at the top, type Photos or scroll until you see the Photos option with the multicolored flower icon. Tap Photos to open its widget gallery. Here you can swipe sideways through the different Photos widgets until you find the one labeled Album widget. Beginners often miss that label, so look under each preview for the word Album. Pick the size you want, small, medium, or large, by stopping on that preview. Then tap Add Widget. The widget appears on your home screen in jiggle mode, and you can drag it into position before you exit. With the widget placed, you can now connect it to your custom album. Touch and hold the new Photos widget until a small menu appears. In that menu, tap Edit Widget. The widget flips to show its settings, and you will see an option called Album. Tap Album. A list of your photo albums appears, including the one you created earlier, such as home screen photos. Tap the album you made for this widget. Right away, the preview inside the widget updates to a photo from that album, so you can confirm you picked the right one. When you are happy, tap outside the widget area, then tap Done at the top. The home screen stops jiggling, and your Photos widget now shows pictures only from that selected album instead of the automatic featured photos. You have just set up a Photos widget that shows only the pictures you chose from your own album on your iPhone home screen. If this helped you get the exact photo widget you wanted, please give the video a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe for more simple iPhone tips.